Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Assembly (KJPA) is set to host Hosanna 2025, a gospel music concert and food fest on the 29th of March, Saturday, at the Students' Field, Jayao, Shillong. The event aims to raise funds in support of the KJPA's foreign mission projects. The festivities will begin with the food fest at 11 in the morning, offering a variety of local and international delicacies prepared by the women's wings of 3 synods and the KJPA English Service Police Bazaar, Shillong. The gospel concert will commence at 4 p.m., featuring performances by renowned gospel artists like the Aroha Choir led by Pauline Wadri, Mane Music Ministry, Kasur na Nongkandong Linching, Kentulin Maupnyang, and flutist Batlador Kongno. Adding to the grandeur, standing choirs from the 4 synods, Synod Mingi, Synod Sepngi, Synod Pedeng, and Ribhoy Synod will also take part. A key highlight of the event will be the presence of globally acclaimed preacher and gospel artist Benny Prasad and his wife Zan Benny. Benny Prasad, known for his record-breaking journey to 245 nations in just over 6 years, will bring his inspirational testimony to the Shillong audience. He will also showcase his unique, self-designed Bentar, the world's first 54-string bongo guitar. The event will also be graced by Chief Guest Paul Lingdo, Minister of the Government of Meghalaya, while the guest of honor, Renington L. Tongkhar, along with special invitees, including pastors and church elders, will also be present. Organizers are working closely with volunteers and the traffic police to ensure smooth logistics, including vehicle movement and parking. Speaking on behalf of the KJPA Assembly, the convener of the fundraising committee for the Foreign Mission Board extended a warm invitation to all gospel music lovers, urging upon members of the KJPA to bring along family and friends. Hosanna 2025 is dedicated to advancing missionary work and evangelism in alignment with the Great Commission to spread the gospel worldwide.
Riang yang kubur, banakalian jumpa Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Assembly kan long ya ke music gospel concert at food fest. Kalau I terteng Hosanna araja al-Hosan, hakaat peneterik ulber araja al-Hosan. Kalau ni ada sisa jain, madan student jaya, banakali ke events. Kan sedang semua ke food fest, nalu or kan way begin, dan kan buat secara gospel concert kemarin sedang, nalu sahaja Shillong. Pada ini gospel concert kita kinong ruai, bat kinong dan juga kisah kerpan, bat ruai, ya kita ruai bakan sai, bat bakan ki. Yang mensim jauh kinong ruai. Kini kinong ruai iketok yang tak aroha wayar apa kejelam curi kong polin wajib nang didon ro yang kembali ministry didon sur nang kendong nang sur kendong lenchin nang idori kong kendulin mau kiam bariba batlador kono but on penrehab sim susu dari tinggal dekat lembah ki choir dong ki South League Synod Islamic choir dan South League Synod kata kalau ke Synod ini kita bisa ini kita bisa seni kita bisa pedeng dan penidoro ya dari boy Synod Islamic choir. Kemakam kongsan bat kerbang ketika music event kalau ba unong mai ko bona Benny Prasad ba ilok jogi izan ve kini dorankat day kasmi but ye dip bau Benny Prasad long way na kinong yalam at kinong tem nong pun padahal dokumen susu mantip yung pini Prasad kalong pondei upriu Poi syaki aspa sausan litiri tan hapo riusnan riubenai pada asni Uyo ya world record boleh teleng diri trong ke perfect padahal ya kasat kau boleh mai ke jingtem ni jemput pat kunju dan king passion sim ya ke jingi ke trong play but itu tiba kiban wan ati ski kim yoro ya kabu bansaki ya nong dem crowd but juro ya gitar atau design rengkat pada drum kalau ai kerteng ya benta ni sokmen menyetu bahwa ketika konsert kindoro ki pastor ki daun ki teman Prasad ki daun ki khot jong ka balang benda ki jingtip ki jong fi ni la khot ro yu kongsan akate ka sgi ya menteri serta menteri Jogja Social Welfare iba Paul Lindor ban sembut kongsan iba Renit Don Elton Khan MLA lengkap ki special guest kin yadon agate ka sigi me tiru banaki hajamun kin yawan syakini the gospel music concert comfort fest amadan student getting prepared ada benda ki events kadang night syakmat abenkat getting trilang ki volunteer but ki board pulit ban penyai baik ban penyai denti kali bagi jaga punya kali lasmo puru bagi jing pengkre akabedi bagi food fest nakaliang jong kilai pilih sinot sinot ini semi pedeng bat kunjuk di sini di assembly bat so komando bagi English service police bazaar kini don bentar ketika food fest kita belum kajing bib kajing biang aktiviti ketika program but kajing pengkre kajing ki kalabiang panorak yang kajing bam kensai kita kamnya but kita kam yo koi assembly pada kali jonga kumpulan leader jong kini ke fundraising program liang soha ya pi paro bagi weru ya paro kiri cinruai kam di paro bangai ki badon apo ke KJP assembly banyawan syakiri ke Hosanna arajar Prasad music concert comfort fest kanang penulong ya ke jintmu ke kongsan jauh mission and evangelism but penyam yung pun kecinggalan syawari but banyak ke gospel onyo banyalah syakijaka paro kembali ke Bayrum kenton ke Bayrum di kon di weriki bakinuan klan the seal ya ke Bayrum DKI keba nila berkat na kaliang jogi nomornya kalau mbak insyukur di declaration box dari QR code room apa ketika you kemudian dikibat semua bensin kelaman dari utang Andre kalong ikut keluar dia baru ke Mesir